Welcome to the great city of Boston. We are here kicking off a meetings revolution at PCMA's Convening Leaders. Hi everybody, I'm Carrie Farnack with Convention News Television. This is PCMA TV, sponsored by ABTS. What happens in Boston changes the world. This city has a long track record for making history, and so does PCMA. The opening reception is a prime example of how PCMA reinvents itself by sharing new concepts and innovations. The goal is to fuel the industry's growth by bringing people together and inspire them to take risks.
I think it's great. I've been looking forward to seeing the new building, and so just kind of taking it all in and seeing what's available.
It's impressive. It's a great venue. Sounds like a lot of fun.
The opening reception is just the beginning of this dynamic week in Boston. CNTV's Sarah Solomon joins us now with more of what's coming up this week. Sarah.
Thanks, Carrie. As we all know, PCMA is really the hub of innovation and big ideas, and who better to talk about that than Kelly Pesey, Senior VP of Education and Meetings here at PCMA. So let's talk about the innovations that are happening here this week. What can we look forward to?
Well, we've got a few new innovations this year that we're very excited about. One of them is Tech Central. It's all things technology. We got a lot of feedback that folks are having a hard time keeping up on technology. So what we're doing is creating an environment where we're showcasing new technology demos. We're doing a tech bar where people can get their devices and get some hands-on help with that. And of course, we have lectures on technology as well. So it's an immersive technology experience. I think the other innovation that we're really excited about this year is the 2.0 version of our Learning Lounge. It's powered by Freeman. It's really a showcase in different types of delivery of content. A lot of touch and feel, tactical types of engagement, not the same delivery that we've seen in the past in the Learning Lounge. So really encourage attendees to get down there and see it.
Now, education at PCMA Convening Leaders especially is on the forefront, and attendees always look forward to the content that's delivered here. What can we expect this week with that?
One of the things we're doing is tagging each one of these 65 concurrent sessions with either a lecture, or it's an active session, which means there's some participation and some roundtables, or it's a hands-on session, which means there's a lot of experiential things that you're doing so that you know what kind of engagement you're walking into. Some people learn better in certain formats than others, and each session will have that marking so you'll know exactly what you're getting yourself into.
Sounds like there is something here for everybody. Kelly, thank you so much for joining us.
My pleasure.
And Carrie, back to you.
Thanks, Sarah. Don't skip a beat this week. Download the 2014 PCMA Convening Leaders app to access the full schedule, participate in polls and surveys, and connect with attendees. You'll also have a chance to connect at the Learning Lounge 2.0 powered by Freeman. The lounge plays perfectly into this year's theme, Revolution.
If you think about what events represent, they represent the ability to bring communities together, and communities by nature need to engage, they need to participate, they need to be part of a dialogue as opposed to just a monologue. And so this is something that we've worked with PCMA to create a space which is really an engagement hub for the conference.
Part of the PCMA initiative is to say yes to the industry, and that's exactly what the 20 in their 20s program and the PCMA Foundation are all about.
These 20 in their 20s, they're going to be identified on their badge that they're 20 in 20 program. As an attendee, go up to them, welcome them, network with them, let them invite them into your group so they can meet other individuals, not just the other 20 in their 20s. So that's what I recommend. Be very welcoming and help them navigate through the program throughout the week.
We're positioning ourselves to say yes to better, bigger research, to really big initiatives that are going to move this industry forward. And it's an exciting time because we haven't been in the position to do that before, and now we've really structured ourselves to ensure that when we ask for money, no matter what amount it is, that it is going to help further education.
More initiatives happening within PCMA, this time with the Virtual Edge Institute. PCMA is encouraging meeting professionals to become digital event strategists by becoming DES certified.
I'd recommend it for anybody who's interested in taking their organization to the next level from a virtual component standpoint. There's a wealth of information and knowledge that comes with the learning and receiving that certification. So I think absolutely I'd recommend it to everybody.
There is so much in store this week as we kick off the conference. Here's a look at the events taking place on Monday. Start your morning with a dynamic opening session featuring keynote speaker Lisa Bodell. Then get tech savvy at Tech Central, which will be open from 10 to 5 at the Sheraton Boston Hotel. In perfect PCMA fashion, content will be on the forefront at the Learning Lounge 2.0. And you won't want to miss the highly anticipated Party with a Purpose at the House of Blues, 8 p.m. to 11 p.m., sponsored by GES.
It's just a great event. I believe ticket sales already are in excess of 1,300. So when you get there, you're guaranteed to have a good time. There's always a good dance band, and that's what people like to do. It's a great crowd. The venue is House of Blues, and it's just going to be a great event tonight, as it has been many years in the past.
It is such a great event. Be sure to get your tickets for Party with a Purpose today. We want to hear now from our sponsor, ABTS, who specializes in helping medical associations grow internationally. ABTS is launching a new campaign called Support Associations to encourage folks to buy within the block.
Well, within the site we have the calculator. We have also a tool that enables meeting planners, international meeting planners, to see over 20 medical associations inventory, official inventory for the housing, and being able on the run with an app to book official. That's what we want to make it as easier as possible for them. And we hope that we can bring them back to the official houses, since they, impact tremendously, the attendance.
There is so much going on right here in Boston, and we are so excited to be bringing you highlights. If you're watching this video online, be sure to share it with your colleagues so they too can experience the excitement here at Convening Leaders. For now, I'm Carrie Farnack with CNTV. This is PCMA TV, sponsored by ABTS.